In this video, I'm going to show you how I would start affiliate marketing in 2024, and that is going to be by using bots and AI. Now, one of the reasons why affiliate marketing, promoting someone else's product, is a good way for beginners, people to make money online for the first time, is because you don't have to do any of the fulfillment, and it's not like a service where that can take some of your time. How we're going to use bots and AI. First thing is you're going to want to choose one of the few hundred tools to promote. And tools, that is going to be from this checklist. Now, this checklist, it's actually a list of all the tools that I use, almost all the tools that I use and promote as well. If you want this checklist, just click the link in the description. Free community, school community. Like I said, it's free. Get the checklist. Also, there's a bunch of other things in there as well that I will not discuss right now. Pick one of the tools. Any tool. So now let's find some keywords. One of the tools that I use, been using right now is, where is it? SEO tools. Mangles. Now the whole point about finding a keyword right now is to find something that's easy to rank for, is on the up and up as far as exploding topics, and something that we can make content on. So it's actually, you can actually have this tool for free, but I actually pay for it. Let's go to keywords. So we want to think of a keyword that doesn't have to be about AI or anything, but it's got to be in that niche. So let's just take SEO. The keyword that I want to look for is, let's go rank first page on Google. So essentially we're going to be towards the end creating content about ranking first page on Google. Now, right now, this tool, yellow means medium, trend. Let's see. So guaranteed Google page 1 ranking. It's trending up, as you can see. Not a lot of volume, but super easy keyword to rank for. This is going to be our keyword. Boom, found our keyword. Now let's generate some content, or generate and outsource some content, and that is going to be with AI. So let's go back to the digital playbook, AI tool. Nope, that's audio. Writing tools, AI Writer. I've been using this one recently. Super simple. Free too, guaranteed. Write our article. I got to log in, so I'm going to pause this and come back. All right, I'm back. Right now, it's pending, and I shouldn't have came back because now I got to wait a minute. So I'm going to pause this and then come back when the article's finished. All right, the article has finished. Now we're going to open it. So here we have a huge article, references and everything. So that's one of the ways, is we could take this, turn it into a blog. But another way, and the way that I like to do, is taking this and creating it into a video. And we were going to use, where is it? Actually, I thought I opened it up. Here it is. This tool, AI video for workplace learning. Doesn't have to be workplace, but yeah, let's create the video. All right, I'm logged in. Once you're here, we're going to new draft. Click it. Start from scratch. Document the video. We'll do document the video. Actually, for the sake of this video, I might make another one. I'm not going to do the whole thing. We'll do a template. I just want to show you what you can do with bots and AI. But Megan is taking the final sip. All right, I'm going to pause it. Oh. So we can obviously make edits to all this stuff, but what did I, take this, copy that. First scene, second scene. Let's see how Genevieve sounds.
Google's search algorithm is complex and multifaceted, incorporating over 200 factors to determine a page's rank. These factors can be broadly categorized into on-page and off-page elements. On-page factors include aspects like keyword usage, content quality, and meta tags, while off-page elements encompass backlinks from other reputable sites and social signals.
Wow, good job, Megan. Look at that. Would you look at that? Something like this, you could resize to, 9:16. That's YouTube Shorts and TikTok. So obviously you would go through, make edits to all this. Doesn't have to be the template, but you have that keyword in there ready to go. Then what you would do is you would give away the checklist. So at the end of the video, your CTA would be click the link, email me. Essentially, it would be click the link that takes you to an opt-in page that will allow you to have them put in their email address, and then you send them the checklist. And then at the same time, you are building your email list. And if you do click the link in the description of the school community, I have all my automations and everything that I use for GHL. That's Go High Level. That's the CRM, funnel builder, all that stuff. If you don't know GHL, just Google it. But that's what I use for my follow-up sequences and all my funnels. And then from there, that's when you can start offering your services, or in this case, other AI tools from the checklist. Because if you get their email from the video of wanting to rank higher on Google, that means they are looking for more leads, or they're wanting SEO, but there's some type of problem there. So that's it. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. I'm going to start being more consistent, or I'm not even consistent, but I'm going to start making YouTube videos in general. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm talking about every other day. And then every time I make a video, at the very end, I'll go through the comments and answer any of the questions that people have. So ask away.